All month long, we're sharing our best tips for glowing, hydrated skin, even in the dead of winter. I'm Tisha Thompson, the founder and CEO of LYS Beauty, and I always say one of the most important things you can do as a consumer is understand actually what's working inside your products. Here's the thing. Cold winter, indoor heat, and wind can make any skin type behave like dry skin. There are a few easy things that you can do throughout the day to better support your skin and protect your moisture barrier. Drinking more water matters, but hydration also comes from what you put on your skin consistently. Don't start on completely dry skin. Do use cream and liquid formulas in the winter. They melt into the skin and keep it looking refreshed. Don't overlayer powder. Only apply what's needed. Do prep your skin before makeup. Barrier repair starts with hydration, and that comes down to the ingredients you're putting on your skin every day. At LYS, there are a few ingredient favorites we consistently rely on. Hyaluronic acid is one of our go-tos because it provides deep, lasting hydration and helps restore stressed skin. Also love green tea extract, an antioxidant-rich ingredient that helps soothe, replenish, and calm the look of dry, dehydrated skin. Hot showers can feel great in the winter, but they can strip your skin of moisture. Try lukewarm water or shorter showers when you can. Touching your face and not cleaning your makeup tools can also stress the skin and lead to irritation. Supporting your skin is all about small daily habits, not perfection. Thank you for following along this anti-dry skin January. Comment below what series should we do next.